Good morning, everyone. Good morning, fellas. I just lost my dialogue on the way. So, this is the new clip on, right? And I haven't even cold started, and I'm talking about clip ons right now. So confused about what I do right now. Today, we're gonna attend the Gentleman Ride. Gentleman? No, Gentleman Ride. Distinguished Gentleman Ride event. And I'm wearing my clothing. That's me. I'm at my uncle's place and I need to open the gate and head towards. That's me. Ah, man, I look good. Hey, what's up? I'm just whatever I'm doing. Let's get the door open. I washed. By the way, this wash was sponsored by Hawk. Oh, man, Hawk is such a nice dude, man. He sponsored me the wash yesterday. I need to get my bike out. I think changing the handlebar has made it like so much. Why can't I keep the neutral on right now? Changing the handlebar has made it like a bit easier for me to ride on. I have exams also. By the way, this video won't come out for a while because I have exams going on right now. Tomorrow I have an exam. And by the way, and this video won't come out for a month. That's what I'm saying, because I can't edit, you know. True gentleman ride. We are gonna see a lot of cafe racer and a lot of vintage bike today. So let's go at the event. Now we are merging into the main highway. Okay, so I need to pick up. I was telling about like I need to pick up my brother. He was a viewer at first. We chatted a lot. So later on, he's like a little brother to me. So, and he's coming here at Baudo, where I'm staying. I'm gonna meet a lot of you guys today, so I'm happy for that too. I didn't know about the DGR ride in Kathmandu. I got invited. No, I didn't got invited, but I got into the ride because of one of my viewers who told me about the ride, and so I registered for it. Even though I kind of was like, should I? Because like I don't know, because I had like I was so. I don't know, man. I had exams, so I was not pretty sure about the ride. But I said, man, it doesn't come often, so might just not, you know, might have some fun. Oh, he's going to the DGR also, maybe. I guess, but I don't know. I tried to ride Duke 250 yesterday, right? And the weight distribution was crazy, man. Even though the bike is lighter than my bike, it felt so heavy, man. I don't know why, but it felt so heavy. So that's a crazy experience for me, riding a Duke for the first time. Ow! 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 What the? It's right from 350 meter. Holy shit. God damn. What the f is going on? What the f just happened? Damn. Off to a good start, I guess. I have never been to Naxal. That's crazy, you know. Yeah. No. I have never been to Truhimp Showroom. I have never been to Bikers Cafe. This is my first experience.
I've been one day.
Okay.
Bikers Cafe one day. Outside for a lot of time.
I usually don't travel, so that's like one of the reason. And I'm like,
Usually don't travel inside valley.
yeah, inside valley. That's what I'm saying. I usually don't travel inside valley, and I'm not a city person, so I don't like city much. City is like such a hectic place for me. Am I recording though? That's the main question. Am I recording though? That's the main question.
Probably.
I don't think I'm.
Look at those people.
Oh damn!
It's orange.
There is no signal to come. So oh damn.
Right.
Okay. Is this the place? Or I don't know. This is way more than I expected, you know. Okay, I think I'm like an uninvited guest. I don't think I should be. I'm nervous as fuck. I'm nervous. Where the fuck should I park now? I don't know. I don't know the parking spot. I think I know that. Fuck. I know him, so that's why I'm saying. I can't park here, so can I park here though? I don't know where I'm supposed to park. Can I park here? Oh, so can I park here though?
5 minutes later, you start here. You have to park on the other side.
Okay, other side. Okay, I don't know the place, so be right back. Okay, where are we going though? There's a lot of Bullet and Classic. Huh? Okay, the parking has been not so good experience. Huh? Okay, it's my first experience. Oh, that's the bull rider. I think I have seen him on the reel and shit, you know. I think he's the bull rider. Yeah, I've seen him many times in reels. So I need to meet up with my friends, I guess. I wanted to buy this kind of oh shit, I lost my keys, you know. I don't understand about this event so much. I think I left him a lot. What's up? Same over there, parking. Yes. I was 2 minutes short on parking. So
I was the first one here.
I knew it because you said like it's you will arrive at 6 a.m. So. Yeah, it's like the T600.
That time, the person who bought this bike, let's put inside the Euro forget.
Oh, so that's the history behind it. What do you think? Let's look at the modified Speed 400 then. I'm nervous. Hello, my guy. Okay, I need to get the mustache. Oh. Okay, then I think I should be heading towards the registers to get the mustache. So I can put it on my headlight. Oh, I don't know. Like after vlogging after like trying to make videos for like so long, I forgot I should be speaking Nepali too. I just randomly babbled. I don't know. Okay, the event has started, but this is not ideal, man. I don't know, I can't hear anything. I can't hear anything, I can't hear myself. This is way too loud. Oh, fuck, I can't hear shit. Okay, and this is just hectic. I don't have any like I'm like speechless right now to comment anything because I can't hear myself. I can't hear myself. Let me. Okay. I can't hear myself. I can't. Holy shit! Man, that's nice that they are bringing their kids to this particular event. Oh, we're supposed to stop or what? Stop one again. Oh shit! Holy shit! The air is blasting through my ears, I mean my face. Oh wow, that's an Electra, right? Such a beauty. The speed doesn't sound much. I don't have hazards to put on, but it's like unnecessary, man. It's like it's an event, so too much noise, I guess. Oh shit! That sound is just so amazing. I think we are in the lead for the ride, right? Maybe. I met some amazing peoples, man, on this journey. Like my biking journey has been such an amazing journey, man. Oh my god, the exhaust! Oh my god! Yep. We gotta. This is not expected. This is there's way too much sound. I thought it would be like a quiet ride, but I guess not so in Nepal because there's a lot of Bullet and classic 350 that are really modified to the top, and the modifications are just top notch. So there comes an NS. This is 17 May gentleman's ride, Saturday on Kathmandu. This has been a really fun experience up until now. I made new friends, and man, I love the event. It is just there is way too much sound going on right now, so I can't hear myself talking, and I don't know what even I am saying. But I mean, like, it's a fun experience, you know. So I guess there are a total of more than 500 bikes today on the event. More than 500 bikes, and so there are a lot of good cafe racer builds. Not a lot. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 cafe racer builds. They were nice, man. I love those. And there was one that stand out the most. And these are all my friends I made on the event, and they also watch my videos, so that's how I met them, through watching me. They are really nice people, man. So we are back to Bodha. Oh, somebody lost this. God damn, that hunter is asking for it to die, man. Don't do that shit. Please don't do that, man. That hurts, man. Don't do that to hunter, man. That hurts, man. It's such a good bike, man. Jesus, don't do that, man. Like, it hurts me. I love my hunter so much, man. She's like a little angel to me, you know. I have been through ups and downs with my bike. Such an amazing bike, and that guy came out of nowhere and just to his hunter. So it's like whatever, man. We can't do anything. They can't do anything because it's an organized event. I feel bad for the traffic officers. They work hard and they need to hear this shit. Woo! There we go. The goddamn, that's what I'm talking about. I need to get a closer shot. I can't hear anything. Sorry if there is no commentary, because I can't hear anything. I can't think, and I don't know, man. I just enjoy the ride, guys, and I can't hear anything. So anyways, what the fuck? Ow, fuck my ears. Oh, I'm going to get a stroke if I hear that for so long. I like loud sounds that are quite nice to your ears, not this. This is just noise. Oh wow, there's that skull guy. I saw him in reels, you know. Wow. That's obvious or not, I don't know. Oh damn, bro, I can't catch up. I can't catch up with this, man. I can't give him a fist bump on a, you know, neutral side, so. Oh, vintage bikes do break down, so. That's Sagadai. Oh, Sagadai, that's, he's one of the Nepali motorbloggers I like. One of the really good motorbloggers, and he's a really nice dude. So, and where is our guy? And something interesting happened when I see a traffic police riding a Bullet Electra. I think that's a modified Electra, right? Definitely. Yep, definitely modified Electra. I see an officer riding an Electra. Now that's something interesting you don't see usually. There we go, there's the officer. Look at that color scheme of that classic 350, it looks so nice. Oh, it's raining, god damn. It's starting to rain now. It's raining. The day couldn't get better now. It's gonna be cold now. Oh man, there's been an accident. A fender bender. Yep, that bike is definitely. Definitely, there's not a fender bender, but the bike. I think the bike alloy just twisted a bit. After like 2 hours of riding, we are back. Maybe I will stay till 1 p.m. then I'll head home, and I'm gonna have some lunch for now. I'm hungry. Guess who's back? I am back. I'm riding the speed 400 now. Foot. Holy shit, the power is insane. I'm not gonna lie, the power is insane. Oh my god. I like the bike. Yeah, it is just the sound is ain't for me. The thump is not there, so. But this bike is good. The power is amazing, man. The power, I would say, it's so much better. %. The power is way more, but the heating is there. It was a fun day. The event was fun, and I had a lot of fun, man. I have to turn right here. I don't know how. What would I do without a GPS, man? The road looks nice. Everything looks nice. At 160, I need to go left. It was fun, man. I met some new friends. I met fun day. I couldn't get to meet all of you guys. Some of you I don't think I get to meet. Maybe on next ride, I guess I can meet you guys. And by the way, this video will come out after like 20-30 days because I have my exams going on right now, and so I can't edit for a while, so that's why it's kind of it like that. I don't mean like to like take a lot of time, but you know, so I guess the gentleman ride will be held back after like months. By the way, this new handlebar is just nice, man. It's like more balanceable. Look, I don't want to do this shit. I am being a dumbass on the road. I should not be. I am almost home. And by the way, the today event was really tiring. It was so hot during the event due to the engine, due to the exhaust. I couldn't hear anything. My watch said that my the noise like 90. It's the like the sound were over 90 decibels, and I could go deaf if I stay there for a long period of time, and I almost went deaf because man, come on, like there were too many. I mean, too many exhausts that were just that loud, man. I don't want to relive that moment again. I know, like, gentleman ride is meant to be like a pleasant ride, not a ride that there were dong 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 dong. And it's scary, man. That was some scary shit, you know.
आज के लिए फ़िलहाल इतना ही। आपकी तरह मैं भी मायूस हूँ, लेकिन उम्मीद पर दुनिया कायम है। दिल दुखा है लेकिन टूटा तो नहीं है, और उम्मीद का दामन छूटा तो नहीं है।